Welcome to Choice Champions. The best QC35 replacement pads is probably one of the most essential accessories for your beloved Bose QC35 headphones. Over time, the original ear pads can wear down, crack, or simply become less comfortable. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of replacement pads, exploring the best options to revitalize your listening experience and bring your headphones back to their former glory. Number 5. SoloWIT QC35 QC35 2 Replacement Earpads. These earpads are compatible with a wide range of headphones, including QC2, QC15, QC25, and various other models. They are designed to provide a comfortable and secure fit for your headphones, ensuring a great listening experience. The package includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. Besides the earpads, you'll find scrims and a user guide, plus a handy plastic stick to make the process simple. You can usually install them in about 5 minutes. Made with high-density foam and high-grade protein leather, these earpads provide excellent noise isolation and enhanced bass. The materials seal around your ears, improving the overall audio quality. It's time to refresh your headphones with these replacement earpads. Replacing the old ones with these new earpads can significantly improve the comfort and sound quality. Give them a try. We are constantly working on improving our products. If you have any issues with your purchase, please don't hesitate to contact us for a replacement. We are here to help. What we like. This product offers a super easy and fast installation, saving you time and effort. It also provides excellent noise isolation, perfect for blocking out distractions. If you're looking for a hassle-free upgrade with improved sound quality, you should consider this one, especially if you value convenience and a better listening experience. What people say. The replacement ear pads fit perfectly and were easy to install. The ear pads are very comfortable. They are a perfect replacement for the original Bose QC35 ear pads. Number 4. QuietComfort Cushions Ear Pads for Bose QC35. Installing these replacement ear pads is a breeze. The kit is compatible with Bose QuietComfort 35 and 35-2 headphones, and it comes with a step-by-step guide. You won't need any special tools to get the job done. Experience a new level of comfort with these ear pads. They're made from softer leather and memory foam, striking the perfect balance between comfort and durability. You'll find them soft from the very first use. Old ear cushions can negatively impact your headphone sound. These earpads for QC35 comfortably conform to your ear, blocking out noise and improving the sound. You can fully immerse yourself in your music. These replacement ear cushions are designed for durability. The inside seams are reinforced with both stitching and glue, preventing splitting and extending their lifespan. They're made to last. These QuietComfort Cushions ear pads are designed to fit a variety of Bose headphone models perfectly. They are compatible with QuietComfort 35 and 35-2, QuietComfort 2, QC25, QC15, AE2, AE2i, AE2w, SoundTrue, and SoundLink headphones. What we like. These ear pads are made with softer leather and memory foam, ensuring unmatched comfort from day one. They also enhance the sound performance of your headphones. If you prioritize comfort and want to enjoy your music for hours, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The old cushions pulled off without any extra effort. The new inserts were easy to change, and the cushions snapped right in. It was a perfect fit. The entire process took minutes, and the headset is like new again. The cushions are very comfortable and appear to be well made. Perfect fit. These earpads feel great. Easy to install on my Bose QuietComfort 35 headphones. Kit comes with a QR code linking to a short video explaining how to remove your old pads and install the new ones, no tools required. Easy peasy. They were a little stubborn to get on, but once they clicked into place, the fit was solid and they haven't budged. Right away, the thickness stood out. They're much plusher than my worn-out originals, which instantly made the headphones feel new again. Even with the thicker padding, the functionality stayed perfect. Noise cancelling still works great, the seal feels even better, and the sound hasn't changed at all. They feel durable and hold on tight, even during longer sessions when I'm moving around more. The pads don't get slippery or gross, and they're easy to wipe clean. Number 3. Link Dream Ear Pads for Bose QC35. These ear pads are designed specifically for Bose QC35 series headphones. They also fit other models like QC25, QC15, and more. It's a perfect replacement for your old ear pads. Made with high-quality foam and protein leather, these ear pads are as soft as the originals. You can enjoy your music all day long without any discomfort or pain. The memory foam cushion effectively blocks outside noise. It helps to retain the original sound quality of your headphones, giving you a more immersive listening experience. Installing these ear pads is a breeze. You can easily remove the old ones and replace them within seconds. They are designed to stay securely in place. If you have any issues with the product, please feel free to contact us. You can expect a quick response within 24 hours. We are here to help you. What we like. This product is made of high-quality foam and protein leather, providing a soft and durable experience. It also ensures no loss of sound quality, retaining the original audio. If you want a comfortable and high-fidelity listening experience, this is the one for you. What people say. They fit perfectly, feel comfortable, and brought my headphones back to life. One thing I really appreciated was the included installation tool. It made the process quick and simple, much easier than trying to improvise with household items. The pads themselves are soft, well cushioned, and feel just as good, if not better, than the originals. Number 2. GEVO Replacement Ear Pads for Bose QC35 These GEVO ear pads are made of soft, breathable PU leather with memory foam padding. They provide maximum comfort for all-day listening, so you might even forget you're wearing them. The superior memory foam construction enhances noise isolation. These replacement ear pads are thicker than the originals, ensuring long-lasting comfort and preventing them from flattening over time. These ear pads are compatible with Bose QC35, QC35-2 and SoundLink 1 and 2 AE, over-ear, headphones. If you're unsure about your model, feel free to contact us for assistance. Easily replace your old or damaged ear cushions with these new ones. They create a perfect acoustic seal, enhancing the quietness of your listening experience. The package includes 2 ear pads, dust-proof scrims, and alcohol wipe pads. Contact us for replacements or refunds if you have any issues with your purchase. We are here to help. What we like. This product is made of superior PU leather and memory foam for ultimate comfort. It enhances noise blocking, ensuring only the purest sound reaches your ear. If you need a comfortable and quiet listening experience, you should consider this one. What people say. Easy to install, very comfortable. Feels a lot better than the one that came with the original headphones. Easy swap out of the outer padding and it clicked right in as instructed with the tool provided. Number 1. Bose QuietComfort 35 Headphones Ear Cushion Kit. Introducing the Bose Ear Cushion Kit, designed specifically for your QuietComfort 35 headphones. This kit includes a pair of replacement ear cushions, ensuring a comfortable listening experience. These ear cushions are exclusively compatible with Bose QuietComfort 35 headphones. They are designed to fit perfectly, restoring the headphone's original comfort and performance. The package contains 2 ear cushions, providing a complete replacement set. This allows you to easily refresh your headphones and extend their lifespan. Replacing the ear cushions is simple and straightforward. You can quickly and easily install them, bringing back the comfort and quality of your headphones. With the new ear cushions, you can enjoy your music in comfort. They are designed to provide a secure fit and enhance your listening experience. What we like. This is a genuine Bose product, ensuring a perfect fit for your headphones. It offers a simple replacement process, making it easy to refresh your listening experience. If you are looking for a guaranteed fit and original quality, this is the best choice. What people say. The replacement kit effortlessly restored the comfort of my Bose QuietComfort 35 headphones. The new ear cushions provide a plush and cozy feel, making extended wear a pleasure without compromising on comfort. Replacing the ear cushions was a breeze, thanks to the straightforward installation process outlined in the kit. Crafted from durable materials, the replacement cushions maintain their integrity over time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.